channel, Christine's Pastries and Cakes. Hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. Today we're going to make a very simple olive bread. I'll start off by showing you the ingredients. We start off with 750 grams of white bread flour, 30 ml of olive oil, 20 ml of yeast, 7.5 ml of table salt, 225 grams of black or green pitted olives, and 475 ml of lukewarm water. Let's get started. We're going to mix the bread flour and we're going to add our water, yeast, salt and olive oil, and then we're going to just place that in a mixer with a dough hook and knead that for 10 minutes. The dough has been kneading for 10 minutes. It is nice and soft and pliable, as you can see. This is the consistency that we are looking for. I'm now going to add the olives and I'm going to fold those in. Okay, so once you've mixed your olives with your dough, turn it onto a lightly floured surface and just knead by hand for a few minutes until your olives have been incorporated into your dough. It's a bit of a messy job, but it's well worth it. If you need to use some extra flour, use some and just keep kneading until your dough becomes soft and pliable. And when your olives pop out, just push them right back in again and keep on kneading until everything comes together. Our dough is now ready. I've kneaded it. It's nice and soft and pliable. I'm now going to take it and place it in a well-oiled dish, and I'm going to allow it to double in size, probably about an hour to an hour and a half, maybe even 2, depending on how cold it is. So our dough has proven really nicely. You can see that's doubled in size, probably even more than doubled in size. Took about an hour or so, right? This is what it looks like. You can see how nicely it's grown. I'm now going to turn it onto a floured surface and I'm going to just knock it back and just knead it for just a couple of seconds. And then I'm going to form it into a nice ball. And I'm going to allow it to prove again for another 20 minutes or so before I bake it in the oven. I've preheated my oven to 220 degrees. I'm going to place it on a baking tray that's been sprayed with some spray and cook, and then I'm going to score it across with a knife. So I'm scoring the bread. You need to cover it lightly with some Glad wrap and just allow it to prove for another 20 minutes. I'm going to put another piece on. And again, I'm going to put it in a warm place and just allow it to proof. Our bread has now risen. It's pretty much doubled in size. That you can see it's nicely puffed up. It's looking really great. I'm going to pop it into an oven, 220, for about 25 minutes or so. Okay, so here we have our beautifully baked loaf. I had it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. You can see it's nice and golden. Okay, and just to test, do the tap test. It sounds hollow inside. It's ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.